stay tuned and keep watching. I love a thrifted find. I love a thrifted find. To be able to furnish my home with thrifted things and get the look that I want, it just makes me feel some type of way. So I just did, so today I just repotted this. I don't know if you guys will see the short before or after. I repotted that. That used to be a big white gray pot. And hold on. This is my soft light, but let me cut the hospital. I call this the hospital light. And I couldn't do it anymore. And plus it was getting so high and leaning over and all that. So I repotted that. I had legs on it. I was like, the legs didn't look right. So I took them off because it's not flat. It has like a lip, and then it's the, a flat indentation, but it's so small, so the legs was kind of chunky and they would have had to be close together. It didn't give the look I wanted, so I was like, I'm gonna just leave it flat. Next thing I want to do is build and create something here out of wood to put my dude wipes in so they could be there, because they always falling off or we bumping them off of there. But yeah, I just did that today. So yeah, that's what I did. Loving that. So I am getting ready to get myself together. Like I said, get my money, go to the garage, get some tarp, get that, kind of lock the house down, close the sliding door and all that stuff, because I got literally like 25 minutes. And I actually have to respond to her and tell her I need the address, because I can't go over. Tarp secured. I got a U-Haul drop cloth or cover thingy, then I got some plastic drop cloths. Those should be fine. It's just one little dresser. It's not like a whole bunch of stuff, so that should be fine. All right, let me go get my money together and then get on Facebook and contact her. I'm in the truck with Mr. Ron, and we are a few minutes away from getting the dresser. I'm so excited. It looks really nice. It looks better than the other one, way better. And that lady still haven't gave me the measurement, so I guess it wasn't meant to be anyways. But she was in, is that closer or is it about the same?
It's about the same, maybe a little bit farther.
Okay. So yeah, this one was nicer anyway. So we are headed to go that and go to you guys when I get it. So yeah.
Stoplight town.
You said a one stoplight town? Right. I'm like, I never heard of it before.
General,
they do? You know what's so funny that you say? I'm gonna come in with you. We got a few minutes. We're a little early, so we're gonna go peruse a little bit to see what is down here. I see a place called Cockadoodle Donuts and Diner, so yeah, it would decide to literally is pouring. And I have to potty. Mr. Ron told me I got a bottle. We got 8 minutes before the guy gets here. We got here early. We're here. Hello. We were peeking through the window. Did you guys like take it over? One like this was already named this, or you guys?
No, so this was I can't even remember what she called it, but the lady had kind of a eclectic thrift shop, and we were like, we love to go to estate sales and stuff, and we were looking to rent a building.
Yeah, she said that. She was like, we're not actually open, but,
No, we both work full time.
So
okay. A task trying to.
Cool.
There you go.
Yeah. It's not too big, not too small. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh. I think that's fine. Yep. Okay. We'll be okay. Yes, and this is all solid, right? All right. Okay, got a little, but it's fine. Can't see that. I'm planning on putting it in a closet and like building around it. So, yeah. Okay. Cool beans. Let's do it. Yeah, we'll do it. I like. Yeah. It'll be okay. All right. Okay. Oh man, they got a lot of cool stuff in there.
I live in Flora, and we have one over there.
Yeah, look at this incense holder. He gave it to me for $1. I'm excited. His pizza into the too funny. I am in love. This is solid wood. I can put my incense down here and just grab them instead of having. I have these. This is gonna probably go in my room. No, this is going in my room. Yeah. He got his pizza nice and secure back there. The guy was even telling. He went to get a pizza too. He said it's so good. So I have to come back here and try the pizza. Yeah. It's pouring, y'all. It is pouring, pouring, pouring. This is crazy. Okay. I'll just move it. Yeah, I'll just move it. All right. Thank you much.
All right. You're welcome.
All right. Oh, Lord. All right. So it is here. It is here. So stay tuned for where it's going to go. That'll be the next part, where it's going to go. And I'll give you the idea for what I want to do with it. So, yeah, I'm excited. It's nice. It's different. And, yeah, that's the dresser. Leave y'all like that. So I also got this. Tell me this is not the cutest. Look at this. Tell me this is not the cutest incense holder. It's solid wood. It got space for a big incense and a little incense. And you can store something in here. He said, just give me $1. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. This is going in my room. I'm going to wipe it down. It's a little dusty on the inside. I'm going to wipe it down. Put me some incense in it. Put that in my room. But look. Look at her in all her glory. Everything is rolling without a problem. Y'all see it's wood. It's wood. It's wood. They got some little contact paper here. I'm going to be wiping this out very well. I'm going to wipe it out in here and then bring it in my room. So we got 1, 2, 4 drawers, which is perfect because I got 3 areas of things. So I'll have an extra drawer. Yeah, it don't smell weird or nothing like that, which is good. So I had the back, I had it all zoomed in, but yeah, it looks good. I seen one little area here, but you're not gonna see that. Like if it's like this, it looks smooth, but it's underneath. So that $30 it's not that serious. And I like these handles. These handles are, I love these handles. They're unique. I love mid-century modern look to it. But yeah, that's my new dresser. And the drive was about 27 minutes. About 27 minutes. Yeah. And once again, he didn't ask for nothing. He don't like to take nothing. But yeah, that's my thrifted dresser. Okay, this before I go. So if you did not know, this is the first dresser that I seen. And the lady didn't get back to me. I think I said that in the beginning. But now you can see the dresser. I post a lot on the community tab. I did share these with you, asking you guys which one should I get. So this was the first one. She didn't, I ain't gonna say she didn't respond, but she didn't respond in a timely fashion. I had already made a deal with the other dresser. And I actually think the other dresser was a better pick, and some of you guys did as well. So this was the first one, and then this was the second one. It even looks better on Facebook Marketplace. It's presented much better on Facebook Marketplace and everything. Don't you think I made a better decision by getting that? I think it's just, I don't even really have to touch it, so I don't have to worry about looking at it like, oh, I gotta redo it because it's irritating me by the look of it. So yeah, it can sit and I can figure it out and take my time, and when I'm ready to paint it or sand it or stain it, I can do that in the future. Talk to me in the comments. I talk back. I love it. I love it. I love it. And stay tuned for what I'm going to do with it, where it's going, and how I plan to build around it. Later, gators.